Hi Dream Homers! Samahan niyo ako ang explore ang new project here in gitnang bayan San Mateo, Rizal. It's a modern townhouse which is small community lang siya, a total of 26 units. So, tara check natin yung loob ng Traveo. So as you can see, Dream Homers, no, nitong nakaraang Sabado, nagkaroon lang ng open house dito. Which is may promo ito, which is may discount kayo na 20,000 voucher for cash or washing machine. As you can see, yung dito, yung mga nasa right side, ito yung Unit 8 type of a townhouse, which is meron siyang 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage only. So, ang lot area niya is 50.70 at ang floor area niya is 87.42 square meter. So, tara, check naman natin yung model unit, which is, ang difference niya lang is 2 car garage. So Dream Homers, check naman natin ngayon yung model unit. So as you can see, no, it's a 2-car garage. Ang lot area nito is ranging to 55 to 77 square meter. Ang floor area niya is about 102 square meter. So as you can see, yung facade ng bahay is a modern townhouse na. At yung area nito, elevated na siya, which is it's a flood-free zone area. Ang kagandahan pa dito, malapit lang siya sa San Mateo Municipal Hall, San Mateo Elementary and National, and up to College High School, SM San Mateo, and yung public market ng San Mateo. So, tara check natin yung loob ng model unit. So, that's it. Welcome Dream Homers, no? As you can see, magkakaroon kayo ng idea because it's a fully dress-up unit. Napakaganda nung pagkakadesign ng developer, no? So, you can have an idea. Pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung sofa nyo, gayahin nyo. Ang ganda din, no? May fluted wall na rin na ginamit. So, this one, no? This will be your living. It's an open concept layout. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, but it's a good deal for its price, which is 5 million. And pwede nyong iset up dito ang inyong dining table, which is kasyang-kasya ang 6 seaters. Okay? So, ang ganda rin ng kanyang lights. So, ito, nandito na ang inyong kitchen area, which is ganito na rin yung finish ng kitchen cabinet once na tinurn over sa inyo. So ito, no, granite na rin yung kanyang countertop. And of course, you have a single sink, which is ang kanyang brand is Sugi. And this area will be your, allotted siya for your kalano or cooktop. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo dito. As you can see, meron na rin siyang window dito. It's an owning window para, of course, may ventilation siya habang nagluluto kayo, of course. And this will be your service area. So, pwede kayong maglaba or magsampay dito, no? So, ayan, open din siya. Pwede nyo yung palagyan ng inyong roofing. Okay? Tara, akyat tayo sa taas. Bago pala tayo umakyat, dito sa baba, meron ditong isang toilet and bath. So, check muna natin. So, ito, no, pag katabi lang siya, nasa side siya ng main door. So, ito. So, that will be your first toilet and bath. And meron na rin siyang shower. Of course, meron din siyang window. Owning window again para sa ventilation. Ayan. So, akyat tayo. So, ayan, Dream Homers. So, pag-akit natin sa taas, of course, nandito yung 3 rooms. And itong door na to, this will be the common toilet and bath ng mga rooms. Ayan no, meron na rin siyang shower. Big awning windows for your ventilation. So, complete finish na siya, no? And, of course, check natin yung 2 rooms. Unahin muna natin ito. Okay, so this will be the first room. So, kasyang-kasya yung single bed or bunk bed. Of course, meron din siyang window for ventilation. So, remind ko lang, no, for this month of February, may promo sila na worth 20,000 for cash voucher or washing machine. You have an option, Dream Homers. So, this will be the second room. Ganun din, kasya yung single bed. Meron din siyang window. And meron din siyang provision for window type of aircon. And as you can see, no, pwede nyo gayahin itong dress up na to. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng study table for your kids or even for you. Okay? So, of course, nandito ang ating master bedroom. Okay, so for master bedroom, kasya dito yung double size of bed and meron ka ring malaking windows dito, no? So imaginein mo yung sunlight na papasok dito sa room nyo, no? Kapag pagdating ng umaga. And as you can see, maganda yung pagkaka-dress up ng model unit, no? Dito, pwede kayong maglagay ng cabinet, okay? As yung kaninang pinakita ko nga sa inyo, di ba? It's a type A model unit of this townhouse. And baka sasabihin nyo, ay, master bedroom, walang toilet, di ba? So, this model is a type B model, which is 2 toilet and bath lang. Pero, if you want na yung master bedroom, merong toilet, you have an option for type C floor plan layout, which is may difference siya sa price. So that's it, Dream Homers. If you're interested to view this property, please don't hesitate to call me to my contact number. It's flashed on the description box. And again, follow me on my social media accounts, Dream Home Nem on Facebook, Dream Home Nem on Instagram, and Nem Marquez on TikTok. And don't forget to browse also to our website, investmanila.com. Again, meron pong promo ang Traveo Residences this month of February. So, i-grab nyo na po. Cash voucher worth 20,000 or washing machine. So, sayang din yun, Dream Homers. If you're interested to view this one, call me now, Dream Homers. Bye, and God bless you all!